आईटी नहीं किया तो क्या किया है?
बीकॉम बीए से जॉब की कोई गारंटी नहीं है, बट आफ्टर यू डू इन इंजीनियरिंग एटलीस्ट अ जॉब इज गारंटी. Even I had the dream of going into IIT Bombay because so I was pretty good in physics and chemistry, but maths was a weak spot. And
How did you do your engineering and then MBA?
so, like I said, did not have many cousins who were elder to me or anyone in the vicinity who was very academically oriented. And again, being the eldest child of the parents, my parents also did not know much. With their limited experience from their group of friends, and in that circle, everyone's children were doing engineering. And they knew कि BCom, BA से job की कोई guarantee नहीं है, but after you do in engineering, at least a job is guaranteed. And plus that IIT tag, that everything, you've been seeing IITs in the newspaper since you were a child. So it was in them and it was also in me. Even I had the dream of going into IIT Bombay because what you pick up from the environment actually gets into your head. In a good way also, like it was my motivation. So because I did so good in my 10th board exams, the natural progression was to take science. Also, I did not have enough knowledge about the humanities and the commerce background to understand what it was. Not that if I would have taken commerce or art as humanities. I feel that was the right decision. Like I feel that what science teaches you actually helps you in so many more ways than just science. So took up science, started preparing for a JEE. So I was pretty good in physics and chemistry, but maths was a weak spot. And owing to that, I feel, I could not clear JEE Advanced. I had put in decent effort for like the 2 years that I was supposed to do that. When I look back, maybe a few things could have been here and there. Could have, if had played out differently, maybe the result would be minutely different, maybe a better NIT. But I had realized it that no, like I'm not so good that I'll make it to an IIT. So that knowledge of not being very great in the technical subjects, especially maths, had dawned on me like when I was entering class 12, because I saw that I was able to watch this for myself.
And I think that's a very interesting point you mentioned. That it's about introspection, it's about understanding yourself and playing on your strengths and minimizing your weaknesses. Ria, you were good in physics. How could you not have been good at maths? Because physics is built on...
Yes. Maybe the qualitative part of physics, when it came to understanding what's happening, I understood that very well in class. But the part where I actually had to solve it down, break it down on paper, there were steps where I was stuck.
Yeah, I can understand. Obviously, there is a slight difference. There's a difference between physics. In my opinion, you can't be like great at physics without at least crossing a basic level of maths. Chemistry चल जाता, but physics नहीं चलता.
Basic level था, but not JEE advanced level.
I mean, as a background, so I come from a family. I never went into IIT, DC, BHU. And my mom's from BHU, but she wasn't like engineering level of BHU. She was like MSc zoology kind of thing, nearly PhD from BHU. But वो medical stream था और वो engineering stream, and which I decided to take in the non-medical field because I hated biology. It's another matter that for the last 15 years I've been in the healthcare field. That's a separate point. Biology नहीं करना. I want to go into technical, and for me it was like IIT नहीं किया तो क्या किया है?
It was also the case for me for 1 or 2 years when I got into NIT, but soon when I met some IITians, पहले तो I had not met any IITian in my life ever. But like 1 or 2 years in the picture when we have these college fests and whatnot, and you meet IITians and you're like, okay, they are very normal people. Some are like good in some things, not so good in others, and you're like, okay, they are normal people. And then you further down in your career and you're like, okay, people from tier 2, tier 3 colleges, forget NIT, are able to catch up if they work hard at certain points in their life.
So IIT नहीं हुआ, you went into NIT. And if I'm not mistaken, NIT is the newer name for REC as we used to call it back in the day.
RIT is also Regional Institute of Technologies.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
So I heard REC, Regional Engineering College. उस time पे होता
so
था
maybe
REC.
different, even those colleges have been converted. For example, NIT Jamshedpur, it was first an RIT and then got converted to NIT.
Okay.